Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to create some sugar nail press-ons that are pretty relatively easy to do. Before we start today's video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for the likes and positivity from my last video. As always, I appreciate your guys' support and it means the absolute world to me. To start off, I will be using my Beetles base gel as my base coat, and I'll be applying one coat of that on each of the nails. Now cleaning up the sides to make sure that our shape is still clean. And putting that in the nail lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Next, I'll be using this Riyas Nails Nude Gel in the shade 112, the one and only, to give us that acrylic look underneath the Frenchies. Making sure to clean up the sides again to give it a smooth and sleek look. After allowing that to cure for 60 seconds, we're going to go in again with another layer of the one and only just to build up the color. Again, just cleaning up the sides. After taking that out of the nail lamp, we're going to be applying our top coat. The one I'm going to be using today is the one from Beetles, and if you guys are looking for a good top coat at an affordable price, I highly recommend this one. Another one I like to use but is a bit more pricier than this one is the Kiara Sky non-wipe top coat. If you guys were interested, the Beetles top coat does retail for about $7, and the Kiara Sky one I believe is retailed in between $13 to $14. After curing that for 60 seconds in the nail lamp, I'm going to go in with some alcohol and my lint-free wipe to clean any sticky residue off of my nails to prepare them for the sugar portion of this design. We do this so the glitter doesn't stick anywhere that we don't want them to. Now for the painting portion of this design, I will be using this bright white shade from Beetles, as well as this off-white shade from Beetles' Bear Collection in 928. As well as Modelones' Peachy Mauve shade in 0836 from their A1 Multicolor set. For this last color, I'm going to be mixing that bright white shade from Beetles with this pink one from their Neon City collection in A567. For this design, we're just going to be creating more of a V-shaped Frenchie with this polish. I personally like doing the sides first and then filling in the rest. Honestly, you guys, for some reason when I bought my Modelones gel polish set, I originally thought they were going to be way bigger, but you do get what you pay for because although you do get 36 colors in this collection, the bottles themselves only have about 7 milliliters of product in them, which again was completely my mistake when I bought them just for not fully reading the description, but that's just a heads up just in case you guys wanted to go ahead and purchase this collection for yourselves. And here you just see me mixing both of those two shades together to create more of a lighter pink. Now before curing the nails, we're going to be adding this white extra fine glitter over top of them. I got mine from my local Michael's store. They have so many glitter colors, you guys, to choose from, ranging from $4 to $17, depending on the size of the bottle you want. But when you get them, make sure they say extra fine glitter specifically to use as a sugar nail glitter. I made the mistake of getting some that said fine glitter on it, and it made the glitter look too chunky over top. After putting them in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds, we're going to just dust off that extra glitter. And oh my gosh, you guys, they came out looking so freaking cute. Just look at them with that glitter over top of them. It's really amazing. Next, we're going to add on our charms, and for this, I will be using my McCart rhinestone glue to apply them on. I got my bows from Shein in a variety box for only $2, and my cute fairy wands, I got them from Temu. For those of you who don't know, Temu is pretty similar to Shein and has a large variety of nail decor items over on their site for an extremely low price. For example, I got a pack of 5 of these wands for only 89 cents. Now we're going to be filing the ends of our nails to give them a cleaner and sharper look. For this, I'm going to be using my Pana 80 grit file, and you guys, this nail file is absolutely amazing, specifically this 80 grit file. If you guys are looking for one that will not only save you time, but will also give your nails a really clean, sharp look, this is definitely the one to go with. Lastly, we're going to be using our Pana safety drill bit to clean up underneath the nails. Setting my drill to forward at 10 RPMs, I am using my Lavinda electric hand drill, and you guys, I absolutely love it. It performs so well, and honestly, I am such a bling fanatic. When I saw it, I don't know, I just instantly needed to have it in my collection. Alright you guys, we have now completed this sugar nail set. I'm honestly obsessed with how it came out. It looks so cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you all have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. I would love to help out all my other nail lover enthusiasts out there. As always, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.